Hi, we have developed a web scraping tool that allows you to download to determine the prices of products that have been listed in Google Sheets. So you can see here that we have URLs of two companies pasted in this sheet, and these are actually different kind of products. Each of these is a different kind of products from a different website, and I have cleared the cells for the prices, and this is my Python application. And when I run the application, so what it does is it opens Edge browser, it determines the version, and then it opens the Edge browser, and it goes to these URLs one by one. It interacts with Google Sheets, determines which URLs it needs to visit from this sheet, and it visits them one by one, and it determines the price of each of the products, and the price is then updated to the respective cells in the Google Sheets itself. So it will have to wait a bit to make sure that entire page has been loaded. And what you can do is you can schedule this app to run automatically using Windows Task Scheduler, and it will then run at a specific interval daily, maybe daily or weekly or whenever you want to update the prices. And so it will automatically update the prices in Google Sheets. Why are we using a Python app instead of Google Sheets itself for scraping? Because the website is actually dynamically loaded, so it cannot be scraped directly through Google Sheets. So we are using a Python script so that the website is opened inside the browser, and then the data is captured as a user normally views it. So you can see that the prices are being updated. I'll take a break and start recording again so that the task is completed. So the task is almost complete, and you can see that most of the prices are already here. And for the prices, if a URL is not of a product, or if the product is out of stock, so it does not get its price. And for all the other products, it has gone one by one and fetched the product of each of the fetch the price of each of these products, and this way it has completed all the listed products, and the program has now completed. So let me know what you think about this. Thank you very much.